Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have a lot I want to get done in a very short amount of time. So my mom actually did not come for about 10 days. So my house kind of got a little, like, obviously letting go because that is usually when I get to deep clean and organize and do stuff around the house. So my house is kind of beat up. My daughter's room, the living room, and it's not too bad because I'm pretty good at staying on top of it, but it is not to my standards. So I just thought I'll go ahead and show you guys me cleaning today. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below to interact with me. I do appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means a lot to me. So let's go ahead and get it into today's video. All right, so I really hate this whole area. Right now, I have some clothes that I need to take upstairs that don't fit her, and some that are going to fit her for next summer. Yeah. I have dirty clothes of hers there, which I'm actually going to throw this in. Hasn't washed clothes, so this was downstairs. It's not too bad. Again, I do keep it pretty organized, but it's not to my liking. So yeah, we're going to clean this up. All right, so I threw her dirty clothes in there, and I am wiping down her little sofa because I'm actually going to move it back to the living room. It was there once upon a time ago. Now I'm cleaning out this corner because I was starting to hate it. It was becoming a buildup of everything and anything that we just didn't have a place for. So here I am just cleaning it out, seeing what's there. I opened the closet and remembered that I just put a whole bunch of stuff in there that I don't have a home for yet. We really need to have a garage sale and get rid of some of this stuff. You guys have no idea how much I want to have a garage sale and get rid of so much stuff. But here I am buying more stuff. But yeah, I'm like so over it. And I hate big balls in the house, so I'm taking those all in her room. All right, so this is actually how I have some of her stuff. I have like 3T summer, fall, winter, 3T summer, 4T summer, etc. So I'm going to put some of the 3Ts in the summer section. By the way, this part of my house does not have AC, so I'm dying. It's so hot. A lot of this is actually like Disney clothes for next year, so yeah, just organizing it so that it's easy for when I do need it. I just pull it out and be like, all right, ready to go. As I continue to go, I did wipe a lot of this down day before yesterday while I was in here playing with her. So I cleaned like her all of this stuff, and all of that stuff is wiped down already. That's why I am not touching that right now. I just wanted to move some stuff around, which I already did. I'm gonna vacuum now because actually she's not really that I guess crumbly. She doesn't need that many crumbs. But yeah, honestly, at the moment, she isn't 2 yet. She'll be 2 in a month. But she is not a messy baby. She will sometimes kind of throw things when she is tired on the floor and just make a mess. But other than that, she really doesn't. She kind of just puts it all right back. So I've been blessed that she is pretty good. She honestly really doesn't dirty her room that bad. So it's very easy to clean it up. I keep my laptop in here, so when my mom wants to FaceTime her, I can still be on my phone. I'm just gonna put that here, up and away. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just touch the living room a little bit since I took out the chair from here. I thought it would look really cute with our new sofas. I didn't show, but you see those little seat parts, they're all up because my munchkin likes messing with the buttons. So I did have to go over them and put them down. I always keep a couple pillows in here because when I change her diaper, I don't want to put her on the floor. So I'm just honestly organizing and picking stuff up, putting things where they would go in her room, in the cabinet. We never open the cabinet around her because then she remembers and tries to destroy everything. All right, so her room is nice and clean. I already had wiped those down a couple days ago, so I didn't have to do that today. I just really wanted to vacuum and move some things around to like her magic box and like writing stuff and crayons. I really wanted to put this over here because I'm tired of sitting in my living room. Her little sofa, her kitchen, her new little thing there. But yeah, that is her playroom. And then obviously I told you guys I was going to do a living room. I always keep those things there so when I change her diaper, if you guys didn't know, inside there is actually where I keep her diaping, diaper stuff. Dirty clothes, ignore that part. But yeah, um, nice and clean. Still want to get rid of that table. Don't know when. But yeah, really, really nice and simple. I cannot wait until we get a new table. We're gonna wait until she gets bigger though. But that was for, so that she doesn't hit her head. So yeah, it kind of ruined the table. Hopefully that one doesn't ruin that table because I do love the table. I don't really want to get rid of it. But just kind of doesn't really go now with the room. I don't know. You guys let me know. Do you feel like it still goes? I'm gonna quickly go through my room now. Honestly, guys, in today's video, I just really wanted to show you guys sometimes my house becomes a mess. It is hard with the toddler, and sometimes just picking up a little bit just helps your mental health. I have really bad anxiety, so having everything cluttered drives me insane. So just doing this little quick cleanup. This honestly took me 2 hours to film today, so it was really quick. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I even had a little bit of time to straighten my hair. It took me 2 hours to clean the living room, her room, and my room. And it's not even deep cleaned. It's just, wiping things down and vacuuming and organizing it and just making that look so cluttered. Made me feel so much better that it at least looks decent, and I was able to put my clothes away as well. So I feel so accomplished. I hope you guys feel motivated. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single one of you guys who would take the time out of your day to watch my videos. So I really, really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.